Hey everybody! Hey, I got a super special video to make today. I'm super excited to do this. I'm gonna bump the latest request video to run these. I just got these in the mail. I wanted to show them to you and then run them. These are a set of C62s that were a grand prize giveaway from a campaign of the Lucky Draw in Japan about 15 years ago. And tried to get them. I tried to get them one time before, and I didn't. And I really was after these. And my friend Super from Blue Plastic Tracks found them. They came back up for auction, and turned me on to them. So Super, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough to have your eyes out there in the train collecting world. This is just yet another thing that he's helped me get. Check out his YouTube site, and he's also on Blue Plastic Tracks. This is the certificate that came with it, and I guess it says congratulations to the lucky winner of the campaign of the Lucky Draw. I've never seen anything say Tommy Dream Energy on it, so it's an interesting little pamphlet. Anyway, this is a sound car, and it's non-motorized. It's got a little switch right here, and when you roll it, and then this is the engine. And then I thought it had sound, but it doesn't. I mean, it's got it set up for sound, but there's no wire that runs between the two of them, so I think it's a set. One's marked C61, C62 1 and C62 2. So we're gonna run these guys, and wait till you see this. Ready? Okay. All right, let's run these guys. Okay. Give me 1 second. 1001. How about 2002? Okay. All right, you ready? Oh, we hit a cow. It is. Thank you so much, Super. You are awesome. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Everybody have a great night.